Today we will be talking about the chain rule, a method used to differentiate a function in calculus. Given two differentiable functions, g of x and h of x, the derivative of the composite function, f of x, is f prime of x is equal to g prime of h of x times h prime of x. A composite function is a function that is made up of other functions, for example, g of h of x, where h of x is the inner function and g of x is the outer function. Let's look at example 1, where we are asked to differentiate this function. We know it's a composite function because there is a function within the bracket that is getting cubed, so a function within a function. Start by writing f prime of x equals, then to differentiate, we take the exponent, which is 3, and bring it down beside the bracket, and then decrease the exponent the same. We keep the bracket the same. Then we multiply by the derivative of the value in the bracket, which is 6x. So the 3 times the bracket raised to the exponent 2 is g prime of x, and the function within it is h of x, and 6x is the h prime of x. Next we distribute the exponent 2 into the bracket and multiply 6x by 3. We get 18x times 9x to the power of 4, which equals 162x to the power of 5. The next example asks to determine f prime of 3 for the function f of x is equal to 4x minus 3 squared. The first step is to find the derivative of the function, then we sub 3 in for x to find f prime of 3. So f prime of x is equal to 2 times 4x minus 3 to the power of 1 times 4. Next we multiply 2 times 4 and we get 8 times 4x minus 3. It can be simplified further, but since we are subbing a number in for x, there is no need to simplify as we already found the derivative. Now that we have the derivative, we sub 3 in for x. So f prime of 3 is equal to 8 times 4 times 3 minus 3, which equals to 8 times 12 minus 3. So 8 times 9, which means f prime of 3 is equal to 72. Thanks for watching. We hope you guys enjoyed this video and learned something. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more videos.